Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel. Today also I have brought a very delicious dish that is made of potato that can instantly be cooked and very tasty and nutritious also. It is homemade, far away from the junk food and from the market foods. It is better to make a potato at home, and that too quickly within 10 minutes with very easy method and with very easy and all the ingredients that are presented generally present at home. Very spicy one, nice one. Quick potatoes. Quickly we can make potatoes of our taste. Within 10 minutes they can be ready without any preparations. Friends, welcome to Healthy Tide. Stick on to Healthy Tide and let us have a quick look how it can be made. I've taken two big potatoes. Wash them, peel them, and cut into longer pieces, somewhat like this. You can give a cut from longer side, thin, long. This kind of pieces, they should be cut. Generally, potatoes, preferred potatoes are the tight ones. With the tight skins, they are tastier to be made. But anyway, if they're not available, it is not that we'll not make it. Any kind of potatoes, they'll do. Raw potatoes, and they are available and can be cooked with taste and as well for sustaining nutrition within them. Put them in a bowl and wash them under tap water. Here I'm showing, but wash them under tap water 3-4 times so that extra starch that can be removed. If you don't wash, then also they'll be a bit different taste. Then also you can cook, no problem. I put salt because I wanted to wash them with salt water. Don't put water. Without water also you can smear salt. You can sprinkle, season it with salt. Properly immerse them. All portion of potato should take up salt. Like this somewhat. Next thing I've taken is tomato. 2 medium-sized tomatoes I've taken. Red tomatoes and 1/4 cup dry fruits also. You can chop them or you can take the complete ones. Now, these let us see what next is to be done. These soaked tomatoes, these seasoned tomato, they are somewhat like this. Seasoned potatoes, they are somewhat like this. On the gas, put a pan and 2 spoon oil in it, and then rinse these potatoes and put them in the hot pan, somewhat like this. I'm showing, you can make it you can do it as you like. See this, all of them, they are put inside the pan. Now they are to be roasted in the pan. See this, saute it and in the pan. If potatoes are washed, they're without salt. Now at this time you can put salt, 1 spoon, that's of your taste, on the other side. In the meantime, what you can do, we can grate tomatoes. You can take tomato puree also. You can use a food processor also for the same thing. Let us check what is happening over the gas. My flame was very high. It was maximum, so they got reddish within 1 minute or so. You cook on the medium flame. If you cannot manage, then otherwise also nutrition that is sustained always, you should cook at medium to low flame. So at medium flame you cook it for some time. Then you should keep turning from time to time. Turn upside down so that our purpose is here to, we're making them light brown. They can be done within 4 to 5 minutes at the medium flame to low flame, and my flame is high, so it would be done within 3 minutes. See, somewhat like I'll cook it this way. Turn it upside down. You can Turn it, see, they are softening. Potatoes, they've started softening, and now they are giving, and now this can give a chips taste, but we will make it more spicy. See, yes, more spicy. I've not fried them. Deep fry will take a lot of oil. I don't want to put that much oil, but a bit of oil, that is okay for giving taste. Now almost 3 minutes are over. Now I added dried fruits. Dried fruits, they can be put complete or cut. You can cut them also. Then also they are of other taste. They'll be very nice. Now you can see within minutes it is started taking its color, texture, and sense. See, it is almost like chips. And on the other side, in the meantime, we had grated tomatoes. It is somewhat like this. You can make a puree also. Grind it anyway, crush it. See, this is now we can now we add 2-3 articles to it. Green leaves. Green leaves, they can be mint leaves, this parsley leaves, then this you can take oregano also. Mint leaves are best. If you have mint leaves, better it is put mint leaves only, to big spoon. Mint leaves you can add. Then 1 teaspoon chaat masala. This is optional. If you don't want to add, it will do, no problem. And half spoon chili flakes or chili powder. That depends upon your taste. Then little black pepper, and here 1 teaspoon salt, or as per your taste you can add. After that, then mix it all together, because this is the puree that will be added, and that will give a flavor to our potatoes, that finger potatoes. See, yes, like this. You can now add these two. I did it in plate only because we have to cook it quickly. No need changing. See, this now all is now covered, every part of it. You can saute it anyway. You can smear every part of it like this. Flame is medium flame that is going on. So all the moisture that will dry within minutes, and all the potatoes, they'll get covered with this tomato puree, this our mixture. Yes, like this. Don't overcook, otherwise potatoes will break. We have to maintain there like this. See, this is now it is softened, totally softened, and it is taking up all the spices. Yes, how nice and how tempting it is. Now see how nice, very very tasty it is if you add exact quantity of salt, pepper as is required. It is very very tasty. If you make it completely as I'm telling you, it is very very, it is better than all the fast foods and the market foods which you are getting. Yes, it is ready now. How much it took? It took hardly 5 to 7 minutes. See, this is ready. Now you can decorate it as you like. You can sprinkle some grated cheese over, and you can put some this butter also you want to add at this point. Butter, the other one, this. Then if you want to add some green leaves, then you can decorate. You can add some dried fruits also. The other one you can decorate as you like. Yeah, this is ready. This is now ready to consume. Very very nice tasty snack. You can eat it in the morning. Every day you can make within 10 minutes. With evening tea you can make. With lunch or dinner also it can act as a vegetable, additional vegetable. It is very very tasty and very easily done. Yeah, it is prepared. It is a good, dry fruits we added. Potatoes are good for a heart. They are good for arteries. They are good for many things. They have a, if you like my channel, subscribe, like and share. And so that these kind of nutritious dishes which have got ample of minerals, vitamins, minerals, protein, fiber, it has This, if consumed in your daily diet, they are very good for your health. See how nice it is. You can consume it in your lunch, dinner, breakfast, lunch, tiffin box. You can even for kids. This is good for all ages, for all age groups, even for the people who are every kind of people. They are good. Only depends upon make it more spicy. If you have a spicy taste, and otherwise you can reduce one thing or other, like without oil also you'll do. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Bye.